Ready to chill your opponents to the bone? Today, we're diving deep into the icy heart of Heroes Battlegrounds to unlock the secrets of freezing variants. First, let's get acquainted with the key players. We've got Frost Lord, Sub-Zero, and the Ice Queen. Each boasting unique freezing variants. Take a close look at their abilities. While Hero Frost Lord slows enemies with icy blasts, Sub-Zero outright freezes targets in place, and the Ice Queen creates damaging frozen zones. The key is understanding their specific effects and ranges. Now, for the strategic combos, freezing is all about control. Pair freezing hero with a damage dealer. For example, Sub-Zero freezes an enemy, allowing your sniper to line up the perfect headshot. Or have the Ice Queen make a zone that freezes people, allowing Frost Lord to line up a freeze. Think about amplifying the frozen state. Let's talk tactics. Use freezing to control choke points, deny enemy retreats, or interrupt powerful ultimates. Anticipate enemy movements and strategically place your freezes to maximize their impact. Remember, timing is everything. Mastering freezing variants can completely shift the tide of battle. Experiment with different hero combinations. Learn the timing of your abilities, and you'll be leaving your opponents out in the cold. Good luck, and stay frosty.